Hey y'all, today I'm doing some passion twists on my natural hair. So like they were supposed to be passion braids at first, but it didn't turn out that way. So it is what it is, and this is what we about to do, some passion twists. So I'm just gonna section up my hair. I do the two sections up front using the big old clips, my favorite clips. I link them down below. And then the back is its own section. So I guess I'm going to start up front first on the left side. This is usually how I part out my rows. I usually just go straight back. And then how I part my parts is I part down the middle. The cars are really loud outside. Okay. So this is the hair I'm using. It's really curly. It's called Coily Water. And I think this is the first method I used. No, this is the only method I use. So this is the first braid actually, and I just use one curl, but you'll see further along the video that I use two curls per passion twist. Yeah, so I just loop it on to the base and then braid it and then switch to twisting. I'm going to put some edge wax on my actual ends and then twist all the way down. So again, putting some edge wax on the roots. I'm again using just one strand, but I actually switched to using two. Braided it down just a little bit and then started twisting. I tried to do like the Singalese twisting method. Put some edge wax on the ends and then twist it all the way down. So yeah, so now it looks a little better doing the Singalese method. So again, one curl, loop it onto the base, braid it a little bit, and then split that hair in half and then twist it down using the rope twist / Singalese twist method. So now we're up front, girl. I don't know how long it took me to do this, but we're up front now. And again, I told you I switched to using two curls. I put the edge control on the roots. Now I just loop the curls up top. Then I start braiding as tight as I can. I braid like three or four times. I split my natural hair in half and then do the rope twist / Singalese twist method down, adding the edge wax onto my actual natural ends, and then I'm going to keep twisting down. So again, edge wax on the roots, make sure they're nice and smooth. Grab two curls, loop them onto the root, and then you want to braid 3 or 4 times, making sure it's nice and secure so you don't have to use a rubber band. Then split your natural hair in half and then twist nice and firmly till you get to your natural ends. Add some edge wax and then keep twisting down. So I really like using this hair. It's really springy. If I did do passion twist again, I would recommend using like tight curls like this one versus a loose wave. Yeah, so now I'm done. So now I'm showing you guys my parts, and there's 3, 3, 3, 3, and 4 on the left side. On the right side it's 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4. Yeah. And yeah, so I don't know what happened. I think I just got lazy on the left side, on the right side. So yeah, so here's the back. You can count them, girl, because I'm not paying attention. Yeah. So these are the final results. They're really pretty and shiny. I love it. There's my fan in the background because it's hot. But yeah, thumbs up this video if you guys thought it was helpful. Check out more videos like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next one after I do this hairstyle. So I just wanted to do like a little cute hairstyle and just put it up. Usually this is like my go-to for like braids, twists, and locks. And yeah, so again, thumbs up this video. Check out more on my channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.